Good afternoon, everyone. Out of Muse, Ferg, New Brunswick. Me and the wife just out here and up by Grand Bay, Westfield, in between there and Hoyt, New Brunswick. Out looking for, I think it was called Raggedy Ash Trail. Anyway, we hiked back in the woods here about 3-4 kilometers. We found the waterfall, but we couldn't find the sign that said Raggedy Ass Falls, but apparently you gotta walk across some water or something like that. Anyway, didn't bring a bunch of stuff to get soaking wet, so anyway, we're just kind of out enjoying the day, seeing where things take us. Beautiful nature out here. There's my wife. Anyway, just a short little video. Anyway, if you ever come out here, Raggedy Ass Falls, hope your luck's better than ours. We tried finding anyway. I don't think we're very far off, but maybe next time. Thanks for watching.